An ad for Littlest Pet Shop.
Let's get inside. Whoa, it's a giant hamster. The hamster can't get the food. Please help me. Whoa, come on. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at the train. Whoa, this is so fast. Whoa. Like Nastya. Whoa, there are over 200 pets to collect in series 1 through 3. Let's pick our character and let's tell the story. I chose this dog. His name is Rocky. He's cool. Her name is Foxy, and I chose her because I like her eyes. I named this bird Star. I like her because she can fly.